We have students coming from different countries into Taiba, and they share different passions. But what I care about and what my friends care about is basketball. I mean, these boys are dedicated and they are always playing basketball from 4:30 to 5:30. They're always at the court, as you can see there. They're always at the court playing basketball with each other and making the best out of it. But they face certain obstacles like a proper court where to play from, a coach, and games. I thought of a fundraiser during contact days, like every term, they could have a fundraiser which would raise about 50,000 that would help them with maintaining the coach. My startup cost is 700,000. There are 15 players in the team, and they are each willing to pay 30,000, which adds up to 250,000. Plus the 50 from the fundraising activity, that's 500,000. Now, what I want from you people to help me with is 200,000, that could make it 700,000 in total as a startup cost to develop the course, buy them jerseys, and buy them equipments for the game. I also thought of coming up with an idea of having games between Taiba and different schools. That they could come over and have games while we're playing music at the course. The tickets will be for about 1,000. So I need a committee that can help me organize this idea that I have. My business is called Make It Bounce, and my motto is we care, because your dreams are my dreams.